So I'll plug this in now in the charger, one of them, and I will show you live demonstration of charging my iPhone with the Ikea cable. Okay, so plugged in, is charging. Okay, charging. And let's see if it shows slow charging or fast charging. Let's see if it shows slow charging or fast charging. And so far it doesn't say slow charging. It's a 3-meter cable, so it might show slow charging, but the charger itself here, this is 45 watts, so that should be good enough juice. But sometimes the iPhones, they have this thing when they don't like a charger from a third party, they like to use their own charger. Usually it's like this with devices, but so far it looks good.